जय माता दी, लेट्स रॉक। करिए शुरू।
What are we starting?
अबे आकाश, तेरा पॉडकास्ट है, हफ्ते में एक बार करते हैं,
Oh
करना
yeah,
बे।
yeah, true.
अबे ओ गांडू, अभी मैंने इसके लिए $15 दिए हैं, ठीक है ना? अब ये मत बोलना कि पॉडकास्ट बंद कर रहा हूँ मैं।
We're disbanding.
ये हमारे लिए भी सरप्राइज होगा फिर।
Okay, since we had a lot of technical issues, let's just go into the intro straight away. I was going to do some rubbish talking.
No,
But
कर मजे।
Bye.
अरे भाई, हमारे टेक्निकल इशू शुड नॉट अफेक्ट आवर एंड लिसनर।
exactly.
कर
The
बकचोदी,
listener
जो
should
करना
have
कर।
A quality recordings from us, with whatever that means from us at least. So did everyone do all the things that were related for the podcast recording today? Did everyone watch Chalan?
नहीं।
Yes,
Very
I
good.
watched it.
Very good.
It was very
Yes.
difficult to watch. And towards the end, I just forwarded the whole damn movie.
Did everyone get their PS5s?
यस।
Very good. Very good. Anyway, but let's just get straight into it. Arnav is a bit busy, but we have to kill some time for Arnav.
I'm going to get the Akash. I'm going to get Xbox through you.
Very good. तो अकेले ही खेल ले.
टाइम
Amrit is not going to get it until much later.
केविन, तू गिफ्ट कर रहा है सबको
बात हुआ है ना।
PS5?
Yeah, Kevin said he's going to give. Abhi, I'm shocked here. There were
भाई पहले
lines.
liver बेचना पड़ेगा, फिर kidney बेचना
I went to
पड़ेगा.
the mall. There are huge lines waiting. People waiting just to collect it. I was like, oh my god, I've never seen this happen in Abu Dhabi.
ऐसा क्या बदला है? अभी मैंने भी वो मोबाइल में गेंशिन इम्पैक्ट करके गेम खेलना शुरू किया।
I was feeling you like that for some reason.
That
because
is, I mean, obviously because the anime
Yeah.
type but it looks so much more interesting than anything you can get for any PS5, and it's free.
It's on PS5 and it's free.
Yeah,
there
but
as well.
but तुम
So it's
फोन पे
better
फ्री पे
graphics.
खेल सकते हो।
It's the same. It's better on.
अबे ग्राफिक्स जितने भी अच्छे हैं आकाश, तू तो बाहर ही रहेगा ना गेम के, उसके अंदर तो घुसने नहीं वाला है, तेरी लाइफ चेंज नहीं होने वाली है, तो फिर कंप्यूटर फोन पे फ्री पे
You would
खेल।
play a very basic graphic game. Amrit, you'd be like, "ये क्या बकवास हम देख रहे हैं?"
No, but
You-
it looked good on the phone पे अच्छा दिख रहा था वो।
No, it's a free game.
Genshin.
Chinese game. Amrit, how dare you? India, and you're in India. So bad.
जब तक कोई चीज
जब
बैन
तक
नहीं होती ना, तब तक हम VPN यूज नहीं करते। I mean, sorry,
But-
तब तक हम खेलते नहीं है।
PUBG
ठीक है,
is
that's
coming
the
back
rule.
to India. We've stopped playing ever since it got banned, and now it's coming back to India.
हाँ आकाश, उसका रिव्यू करेंगे। इमेजिन हम सिर्फ इंडियन प्लेयर्स के साथ खेलेंगे तब भी हम लास्ट आएंगे, सोच। हमारे सेल्फ
बट वो
वैसे we
PUBG
have
मैं
been
और
winning.
आकाश खेल नहीं पाएंगे बाय द वे।
वो रीजन ब्लॉक्ड है।
आई एम प्रीटी श्योर वो PUBG इंडिया से PUBG में लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, राइट?
Maybe.
तो we'll play the other one then.
No, I think it will interact with everyone.
Yeah, it
else.
should do. But we'll play
Just the
4G.
servers are going to be all Indian.
Yeah,
and
because उस वाले सर्वर को हैकिंग चल रहा था, इस वाले सर्वर में हैकिंग नहीं होगा,
Yeah.
ऐसा मैंने सुना है।
Amrit, very technical terms, he described it perfectly to everyone. So
I described it, Akash, in the same way it was described on TV. दूसरे वाले में there was deep hacking, this वाले में
News.
there will be, that was deep hacking,
I just
this is mild
remember
hacking.
Amrit used to watch like.
Amrit had that site na where it looked like
I still remember whenever he used to say hacking, he used to start pushing.
Abhi,
Yeah,
do you
Amrit
remember
had
there
that
was
site.
the ready
You-
that matrix का
Yeah,
code
yeah.
used to appear on the. That was
Yeah,
one of my
you
favorite
type anything and it would just come, gibberish should come
Abbe,
on the
the
screen.
first time I
It'd be hacking.
after first year के बाद the first time I visited, I think my relatives, उनके सामने I turned on that screen saying, I'm busy right now, अभी actually काम चल रहा है, please. Thankfully, no one has seen any of those movies then. Now I guess they must wonder कि ये बच्चा क्या कर रहा है, but yeah.
What, you had a Matrix screensaver and you're like, I'm busy, I'm
Yeah.
coding.
अबे यार, मैं torrent download कर रहा था, I can't tell them that ना। तो आई वाज लाइक ठीक है, ये तो स्क्रीन आ रही है बीच में, एंड उसका स्क्रीन सेवर ऑप्शन भी था, एंड लाइक हमारा एक पुराना जो दोस्त था उसने मुझे बताया था कि देयर इज दिस वेबसाइट, इमीडिएटली यू कैन क्लिक ऑन इट, सो आई हैड दैट सेव्ड एज अ बुकमार्क जस्ट इन केस एनीवन केम। तो या
Okay, on the topic of hacking. Hi everyone and welcome to the new oh my god. Sorry Kevin, I thought you got disconnected for a second because Kevin's screen went black for me. I was going to say hi.
Great start.
Okay. Hi everyone and welcome to another my god, man.
Yeah, I did. I did get disconnected. I'm just hoping it's going to keep recording.
It says recording now, so it should happen. If it doesn't happen, this will be one of those episodes that's been lost. We'll have to move
Yeah.
on.
Perfect, right?
I believe our fans are contemplating what happened in these lost episodes.
Yeah. The
Oh my God.
one lost episode, what happened?
Yeah, even
It
we
was
can
very-
create some conspiracy theories. क्या हुआ अपने episode के साथ?
Arnav,
Arnav,
we are the only ones who will create the conspiracy theories because एक एक करके each one of us only listens to this and then discuss it and laugh. So yeah.
Hi, everyone, and welcome to the newest
Do you want to
episode of
restart
the
this
Vele
meeting?
podcast. I am joined by my usual crew, Arnav, Amrit, and Kevin. And today we have some interesting, at least one interesting topic to talk about. I feel very interesting. The other one, Kevin finds really good because he has very good opinions on the movie Chalan. But right now, let's just get straight into.
Only you made me watch.
Let's get straight into the first topic. If you could investigate one case, mystery, or conspiracy in your lifetime, what would it be? So, I was going to say start with Kevin, but seeing that Amrit's one is pretty.
I can
Amrit's
start.
one
No,
is.
I
India.
think you should start. I know we can start with the India one later. Why don't you start with Kevin only, since he's this most serious
Okay.
one.
I mean, all of yours are serious. But anyway, Kevin, since okay, start.
Like I said, I think in previous episodes I talked about like getting back into getting into 90s rap because I was introduced to the whole genre very recently. I would say like probably the last 4 or 5 years. So one thing, like obviously when you talk about 90s rap, Biggie Smalls and Tupac are probably the epitome of like they're the top in the rap level. Like I mean, I don't think there's even I consider them higher than Eminem because they're someone who learned from them. So
They help define rap, no?
yeah, they help define
Their
rap.
music helped define rap.
Exactly.
They're forefathers of a genre which didn't particularly exist in people's eyes back then. So yes,
Yeah.
they're above everyone else.
Exactly.
Kevin, can you repeat the names?
It's Biggie Smalls and Tupac.
Tupac Shakur
Tupac,
and
yeah, yeah.
Notorious B.I.G.
ये इनके actual names हैं या?
This is okay. Anyone listening to this
No.
right now will be like, why are these people discussing people they can't even name properly? Full name बहुत rarely लोग बोलते हैं. Tupac
Okay.
and Biggie in general.
Tupac is
like
his- yeah.
yeah, that's how they were.
Yeah.
Those are their rap monikers. But
Or
Or you can
continue.
search Machiavelli, but you might get the actual historian of Machiavelli.
No.
This is such a. This is so odd, man, what we're doing right now.
Okay.
What Amrit has collapsed while laughing so hard.
Some background for Arnav actually, since he doesn't follow the genre at all. So it's Biggie Smalls is from the East, New York specifically, and Tupac is from California. So
West.
they were the start of this.
California love.
Akash, thank you so much for interrupting.
Tupac was actually Tupac was actually born in New York, right?
Yes, he was born in New York, but he represented everything for California, right? So I can't.
He represented Compton and all.
Yeah. He represented West Side जैसे हम South Side और
Yeah.
North Side है ना, ठीक है.
South side or north side. Okay, Kevin, go. Sorry.
So essentially, they were the start of the West versus East rivalry. And before I get into the details of the 90s rap, one thing you have to mainly know is they always targeted violence against, or like they promoted the violence against law enforcement agencies as a reply to all the racism issues that was going on at that time. So law enforcement agencies are never going to support them. In fact, they'll try everything in their power to make their life harder. So that is essentially the basis you should know. So one thing that people don't realize is that Tupac and Biggie Smalls were close friends, and Tupac was part of the Death Row Records, which is a label, and Biggie Smalls is part of the Bad Boy Records. So Death Row Records is, so the way the structure goes, Death Row Records is run by Suge Knight, and Bad Boy Records is run by P. Diddy. And for actual names, his name is Sean Combs, his official name, but everyone calls him P. Diddy. So
He changes his name every other time.
Yeah, he's got a
He used
couple
to,
of
it's
them.
P Diddy, something else.
Puff
He always
Daddy.
changes his
He
name.
had like a
But
Puff
he's
Daddy as well as that.
yeah, Puff Daddy.
So these guys are the heads
They all
of
change their names.
heads of the labels, and then comes like the rappers, which is Tupac and Biggie Smalls, and then below them comes the gangsters, and like it's like a hierarchy, you see. So the major fight happens between the gangsters, the lower level guys. So like people say that like Tupac was neutral to both the. There were two levels of gangs. The biggest, they're till today they exist, which is the Bloods versus Crips. Bloods is mainly like on the so Suge Knight. I already told you about Suge Knight, right? Suge Knight specifically supports is part of the Bloods, and P Diddy support. So consequently, P Diddy followed Crips. So it's
Crips.
Blood versus Crips. So in '94, basically Tupac was shot in New York. He was visiting New York, and a lot of people don't know that Tupac and Biggie Smalls were friends. So
Yeah, they were good friends.
and apparently law enforcement never investigated that shooting. They named it as a robbery attempt.
They
So,
never properly investigated
Yeah.
it, right?
in fact, I think his family filed a case for that as well. That was the start of like there was always a rivalry, like a professional rivalry, but this became personal because to Tupac says that okay, maybe Biggie Smalls was not directly involved in it, but there's no way the top guy in New York doesn't know that this is going to happen to him. So he's like, as a friend, you should have given me a heads up that my life is in danger. So Tupac did get shot and he recovered from it.
So एक question इसमें you said ये दो groups में जो भी पंगे थे, but end of the day they both belong to the same community, right? These both groups.
No.
These are primary African American gangs.
Yeah.
But
that
usually
were-
don't they like because मुझे इतना समझ में आता है I'm assuming कि they should be standing together against racism, right?
No. They can. They stand together. They stand against racism, but not. But they are against. And these are all neighborhood movements, which are based primarily out of. The rap music was essentially speaking against a system जिसमें a lot of African Americans were forced into these smaller communities जहाँ पे economic and social conditions काफी गलत थे. वहाँ से the gangs originally originated based purely on as neighborhood watch जैसे, which then turned into organized crime.
Yep.
So while they stand together in their message, obviously, end of the day, there can only be one person to lead, right? So that's where rivalry comes.
So it's a business because वो same business
Like,
में belong करते हैं.
Other moment it transitions into organized crime, obviously it turns into like a business thing, right? Like both of them may have the same product, but I want my product to be more. Product can be crime, drugs, anything, because obviously a huge problem with majority of like early hip hop के जो pioneers थे was that they could not get into traditional jobs. तो obviously उनको either crime या sports की तरफ turn करना.
Yeah, they were part of the drug industry. They had strong affiliations with drug gangs. So essentially, like there was always a professional rivalry, and then after '94 shooting, it became a personal rivalry. Then it was a proper war. Like there was shootings, there was like harsh words over in front of everyone. Like on media, they were threatening each other, etc., etc. So
in 1994 he survived.
1994 he survived the shooting.
Yeah, the two iconic like diss songs came out. Like first Tupac released "Hit 'Em Up," which has one of the best beats ever to any sort of diss track, because he like goes straight into insulting like Biggie and his entire crew. Yeah, and then I think Biggie replied with "Who shot you?" I think as was his response to it. Both were iconic tracks, but unfortunately, what happens next, as Kevin will describe, is not the best.
Yeah. So basically, Tupac even went to jail for a couple of other issues like assault and all that, which is where he met like Suge Knight and they signed like a whole contract. And that is where like I think Tupac didn't have that much involvement one thing I think people forget about Tupac is that unlike Biggie Smalls, Tupac didn't have much of a crime background. He went through a very tough neighborhood, but he was actually one of those intellectual musicians. He was trained in ballet. He was trained in classical music. He learned piano. He knew a multitude of instruments. He actually had a very technical background and an aspect. Whereas Biggie Smalls went through the streets. Like he dealt drugs. He got into jail multiple times for dealing drugs. So that's the example. But like when they met Suge Knight, Tupac met Suge Knight and signed a contract with him in jail, and that's when the whole gang part, like Tupac became a part of a gang, because the moment he signed with someone, you have chosen your side.
So is your thing that your conspiracy thing, or why you want to investigate this? Is it because that you want to see what happened?
Akash, can you explain the theme of what we're doing? I don't think we did that. It's
So,
unsolved. Yeah.
It's either unsolved cases, mystery, or even conspiracies that we would be interested in if we would like to investigate.
Yeah.
Like what happened further was like. So are you saying that you want to see if that was it actually a gang fight, or was it like an assassination attempt?
In
or was
'96,
it...
basically Tupac got shot, and Suge Knight was traveling with him, and he was shot in Vegas. And after a lot of investigation, they finally identified a guy called Orlando Anderson. Shot him, and Orlando Anderson was part of a gang which was closely related with P Diddy, who is biggest rivals with Suge Knight and Tupac. So that is where the essential and they're connected because of drug business again. And police finally got the proof and got enough eyewitnesses to confirm that it was Orlando Anderson. But obviously, until they can get into the questioning booth, they cannot confirm any link to who ordered the hit or under whose instruction he was working. And in '97, someone shot Orlando Anderson, and the case has ended over there. Like they have not been able to prove any link to the people, like to the higher ups in that. That is where the conspiracy exists, I think. And in '97, simultaneously, Biggie Smalls gets shot after that, and he dies. He was on his way back from a party, and the police wrote it off as a gang-related shootout. But in 2003, this investigation is going on completely, and in 2003, finally, his family filed a case against the whole state, saying that like police is corrupted, there's corruption in police because it's the police. Police is involved in the selling of drugs, and since this involves big shots in drug business, they want to cover it up, etc. So that is where there was a state fight. And then there was an investigator assigned for this, and he found links confirming that a guy named Wardell Faust, they call him Poochie, was identified as the main suspect who killed Biggie Smalls. And in the same year, in 2003, when the case got reassigned and when they got the proof, someone killed Poochie immediately. He as the main suspect. So Poochie turns out to be the person who was linked with Suge Knight. So this was revenge shooting. So Biggie Smalls died because essentially what it looks to me is Biggie Smalls died because Suge Knight's biggest asset was Tupac. He was his main rapper, and Suge Knight is a big businessman, and a big gangster as well. So when someone killed his biggest asset, he had to take revenge, and that was Biggie Smalls. But till today, even both the people who killed these rappers died consecutively. They immediately died the moment the investigators got the name. So the whole conspiracy begins there. Why they didn't pursue the investigation after that. Till today, the case is still.
Kevin, what is the part that? What is your?
I mean, it seems strange, right? It seems strange that the moment the the main suspect is caught, they end up dying. So and none of the and the fact that the police officers waited for so long for that to identify those victims seems even more strange. And in the late 90s, it was a confirmed case that like police was involved in the drug business, and a lot of the alliances that these guys have are with huge drug families or drug cartels. So they cannot afford to do that. And I think that's why if I could investigate, if I was personally, if I could investigate, I would go back to the time. Like first of all, you need to target the police officers who were investigating because they already have the information. Because witnesses have said that in '97 itself they recognized the shooters, but these guys hid the names for a long time. So there has to be someone telling them to do that. So that is where I think the controversy is, and that's where I think I should investigate, like which police officers were involved in the case. In my opinion.
I think for me, इसमें एक interesting point तूने start में बोला कि in a way law enforcement हमेशा उनके against थे, right?
Yeah.
Like there was no वहाँ पे, so it seemed like maybe one of the factors was कि they never took it seriously, or even they knew, they never took any action on it. Because usually gang war में क्या होता है, एक दूसरे को लड़ मरते हैं. At least in 90s, that's what used to happen, right?
Yeah, and especially in the 90s, the hip hop started with the entire movement behind hip hop. If you look at it, was a very anti-establishment note to it, and Tupac and Biggie had turned into important figures culturally as well for a community that had felt underrepresented for the longest time. So in many ways, जब कोई किसी minority type और smaller community से कोई उस तरीके से vocally आता है, then immediately जो established norms हैं, उनके लिए it was a very comfortable experience because they were powerful figures. Like 40 years before this happened, the African American community had lost out on two leaders similar to that, Malcolm X and Martin Luther King. So both who were like, assassinated in very controversial tones. And these two were young, early 20s में थे. They were representing कि हमारे यहाँ पे गरीबी का ये effect होता है. आप हमको stereotype करते हो, एक तरीके से treat करते हो. That's why we end up in this way. हमारा choice नहीं है ये. Like they were like describing lives in their neighborhoods in a way which was resonating with a lot of people. They were a voice of angst. So as what Arnav said, and were like, for me, the biggest conspiracy in this was कि the authorities were aware that something was about to happen, or like even if they weren't, they were complicit to the cover up in like not directly, then definitely indirectly. Like, acha ho gaya. We don't particularly care, because lineage of these two rappers is huge because Puffy or P Diddy jo usne bola then links up with Jay, and like unka they become simultaneous billionaires aage jaake. Jay-Z comes through this entire lineage on the east, and west mein Suge Knight has links with Dre, who then adopt Snoop Dogg into their mix, who then later on Dre discovers Eminem, and Eminem ke through that movement goes down, and now us banner ke through they have people like Kendrick Lamar, and like there's a new generation on both sides, strands of hip hop which have like sprouted.
So Jay-Z came from where?
Jay-Z was part of the Jay-Z ka entire
P Diddy.
No, not P. When Biggie died, and this is another side conspiracy which is part of the, when Biggie died, New York, there was no New York rapper who capitalized as much as Jay-Z, because a vacuum was filled.
Yeah.
Biggie was a cultural icon. He was a marketable figure, and also most importantly, an amazing rapper. Yeah. So his vacuum was filled in many people's minds, hearts, and again, you have to understand, these are not good musicians specifically. I mean, they're not just good musicians. They are cultural icons. वो बहुत important हो जाता है. Like जब तुम्हें जैसे अर्नब ने बोला ना, I would assume सब same community के हैं, सब एक साथ होंगे. That's not it for them. They were people who represented, I think, very crucial to an entire community of people who had not had representation since Martin Luther King died and Malcolm X. So Jay-Z comes from the East and takes over the entire thing. Then obviously he does the entire Def Jam deal. वो अपने partner Dame Dash को हटा के he becomes a CEO, and 20 years later he is one of the first pop billionaires.
Yep.
Like he marries Beyonce, and then like I look back. But if you think if Biggie is alive, does he eat into that much of the pie? Like people think as part of the entire theory. So it led to many things, many
I
interesting
think
things
if
happening.
Biggie was alive, he would be the Jay-Z of New York. Like whatever Jay-Z is today, he would be, because Biggie was the guy. He was the main guy out there.
Yeah, he was already that. That's
No,
the thing.
he was already that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In
That's
ether,
Jay-Z became that.
in ether, when Nas dissed Jay-Z, he says it. He says that when are you trying to replicate Dame Dash and because Puffy and Biggie were like the 1 and 2 combo, amazing producer, great rapper. So Dame Dash and Jay, जिन्होंने Rockefeller Records खोला था, they were supposed to be like mimicking them. So it was like, oh, so you're in ether. There is a specific part where he says कि यार, just because he has died, तुम अपने आप तुम replace करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो क्या? You guys are trying to act and mimic like these people. Like, so it was something that was stuck in many people's minds. So you can see how
And thing is that I think now
each
it's
of
a
these
mutual
deaths was.
understanding. I think these guys, none of these successful artists want to push the issue anymore, because I think currently only Tupac's mother. Last time so there's a documentary as well on this on Netflix called Unsolved Cases, and only Tupac's mother and Biggie's mother are actually fighting the case against state that you have still not solved these murders. But whereas all the associated artists are stop pursuing the case. I think it's a lot to do with like if the current top guys had some knowledge to it, and if their name comes into the picture, the whole empire just crashes down like anything. So that is where I think the
No, Kevin,
conspiracy
it's
gets
that
extended.
if somebody dies and certain 5 to 10 years down the line, all of those people involved profit. Why would you want to go back and implicate anything, especially if you are not the one who directly did it? Like it's very interesting, especially like as we go into each of these mysteries, to understand that the unsolved part में why a lot of public angst आता क्यों है कि like हुआ क्या था बताओ हमको. अभी हमने सुशांत सिंह राजपूत में भी देखा, like people को जानना है कि हुआ क्या था, like apart from वो, but the logic क्या है उसका, the people involved के लिए as long as okay तुम्हें पहले बुरा लगा, but as long as the death turns into something convenient, do you really need to care anymore to them? Why would those people turn around and worry,
And I think Shubh
For the Suge Knight thing, yeah, did he go to jail for Biggie Smalls'
No,
thing?
no.
He went to jail. I
He went
remember
to jail. He
Not
got,
why did he go to
in
jail?
2015, he got charged for a hit and run case, completely unrelated. He's in 28 years.
Different.
For jail,
Okay. I
which he
remember that.
deserves it.
But okay, I know Will Smith got dragged into it.
All the top rappers.
I know because his wife was dating Tupac at the time before their relationship.
His wife
I
was
know.
dating August Alsina during their marriage as well. But
Yeah, that was that's a different topic for that. But yeah, on the Red Table, she compliments Tupac. Even they had a movie for Tupac's biography, but I don't think it did well. But
it was
I remember
horrible.
Suge Knight.
No, Suge Knight.
Yeah, apparently it was.
Suge Knight is actually the most suspicious character in this, because he is directly involved in Biggie Smalls' death. Not to mention, later on in a few years before that, he was also directly involved in Eazy-E's death, where
Yep.
Eazy had a contract
Apparently.
with Dr. Dre. I think Arnav will know Dr. Dre. Eazy was the main guy of a band called NWA, a group called NWA, and
Which Dr. Dre? But did he have a contract with Dr. Dre?
no, but
Dr.
didn't Easy die of like
Yeah.
AIDS वगैरह का हुआ
Easy
था?
died. Yeah,
The
he
thing
did.
is that
He did. He died of.
there's a controversial
It
thing
was
about
conspiracy theory.
because Suge Knight said that you're not even going to know. Like apparently, this is what he said to Jay and everyone, that he's not even going to know how you're going to die if he doesn't agree to my thing. That's what he said, and like 3 months down the line, he gets AIDS and he died. There are a lot of conspiracy theories saying that he was injected with bad blood just to make sure that because apparently Tupac was apparently Eazy was beaten up like anything, and he was put in.
No, but Kevin, a lot of the, and I'm not saying that that's false, but a lot of the lore around that is like HIV के around एक stigma था. Magic Johnson had just come out in 90s and said कि उसे था. So people would just say anything. Like India में there was this rumor that a college professor who failed someone when they went to a theater, किसी ने उनके seat के नीचे एक syringe डाला और उसके पता and somebody put a note saying welcome to the world of HIV or something. Like people
Yeah, I
assumed
remember that,
HIV was
reading that.
transmitted in the most funniest of ways, and turned out it had Pepsi inside it or something. So you play on fear. Like Easy, he had, I think, Straight Outta Compton, जो movie थी, which is
That was a very good movie, by the way.
but
Watch it,
essentially
people.
it shows you what this thing is. A lot of the easy part of it is just कि it's a community that is learning to empower itself. इनको idea नहीं है particularly maybe कि correct way क्या है, because they're against such an oppressive system, but a lot of the problem is ignorance, right? You don't particularly know कि what's the right move or who is screwing you over or what's in your good business interest. So
Yeah, even
so a lot of the time people like Suge Knight had to used like blatant physical threats to get their
they
work
used
done.
fear.
Yeah, they used fear.
to get their work done.
Yeah.
Yeah. But like Dr.
But-
Dre eventually got fed up of it, no? Suge Knight, and said, I'm joining
he quit.
Interscope Records instead now, because their work style and treatment was more professional, where Suge Knight was like embracing the gangster type fear and everything, which Dr. Dre eventually did not want to be a part of. That's what at least you get from the movie and from online reading. But
Yeah, because
yeah.
he meets Jimmy Iovine and that they start like just
Yeah.
focusing on making money instead of becoming the number one gangsters in the entire
The strangest part of these cases is the fact that the moment it was about to be connected to a top person, the people get shot in the most mysterious. For example, the guy who shot Tupac got shot in the car wash. Someone shot him in the car wash. God damn it. And another.
No, these were all drive-bys. All the deaths were drive-bys.
Yeah,
I remember they're saying that people just drove by and shot.
The moment the suspicion came, the main guy just died, just to kill off the link. That is where the
Kevin, इंडिया में जब व्यापम स्कैम हुआ था उसमें 40-50 लोग मरे थे, तो I think people have been hiding scams by murder for a long time now.
For a long time.
But is Tupac dead though? Because people keep saying like, I just saw him on the street.
I think it's a very sad urban legend, because
it is.
Okay, like, oh, he's hiding in Cuba now, and like
he's alive. But why? Like, okay.
No, because he was.
But why?
Because
now
there will always be that sentiment. Like he was like the young prince of an
he was
entire.
inspirational.
Yeah, he was the young prince who was going to lead an entire community towards self.
His music was revolutionary.
Yeah, and he has that song with Elton. He has that song with Elton John.
Ghetto Gospel.
And if you just hear him clearly state his vision.
And talking about life and everything.
Exactly, and it's like somebody who put it in very simple, clear-cut, understandable words. For his life to have ended that way, for people it was a traumatic shock, because what is the one thing any oppressed community has? Hope. If I take that from you as well, कि like चीजें बदल सकती हैं. Like actual chance, if you do things right, one of you might actually escape. And if that is snuffed out on both ends, because imagine when Tupac died, Kevin, what's the year gap between them both being killed? 3 years?
1 year. 1 year.
1 year. Imagine when one of the pillars goes down, you still have another thing, right?
Yep.
You still have another person who's there, and now he is also taken down.
It was most definitely a gang war. It's true the police butchered it because they didn't want to interfere either, and they just probably felt like it's better these two guys finish.
Yeah, and the conspiracy just makes it seem like they're more sinister than it actually was.
Yeah.
I think the police just didn't want to get involved at all because they thought, who cares?
और हमें blame करेंगे लोग, हमारा नाम डालेंगे.
Yeah, and also that was the police brutality then as well was there, as it is now, that against black people, all the things.
And it was 50 times more blatant because there was no cameras recording it, no?
Yeah, they were beating. So it's even worse, and it's wrong on the police completely. But the police, I mean,
But
when
I
we
mean,
move
that
to
was the
another topic,
culture
so
of
please
time,
let's
right?
not-
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
This is a
right
different
now
time
we
altogether.
are only
Era.
It was
a
blatantly.
lot of the overt aggressiveness that was shown towards African Americans then, और जो world का perception था कि ये इतने ज़्यादा like physically imposing है, वो सब क्यों है, इनका attitude इस तरीके से क्यों है, जो लोगों को एक narrative बताया जाता है किसी culture के बारे में, उसका explanation is very easy if you just study the socio-economic thing. जहाँ पे ज़्यादा incarcerations होंगे, जहाँ पे ज़्यादा arrests होंगे, जहाँ पे more cases of police violence होंगे, वहाँ पे technically obviously cultural difference आएगा लोगों में.
आएगा.
Yeah.
If you are raised in a place where you know, अगर मैं घर से बाहर ऐसे जा रहा हूँ, I'm going for a walk, like ऐसे अर्णव ने हमें कुछ दिन पहले बोला था, guys meeting के time मैं walk करने बाहर जा रहा हूँ. None of us will fear that a random cop will stop him and like racially profile him relatively. I'm not saying he can't be profiled, but relatively scale of its chance of him being racially profiled, stopped, pushed against a car and like ill-treated and treated like an animal बहुत कम है. Now switch and all four of us are African Americans in 90s or 80s or 70s. My God, जहाँ पे segregation 60s में खत्म हुआ है एक तरीके से. Can you imagine mindset क्या होगा उनका? Of like a community. So they represented that
Crazy.
voice. These kids 70s में पैदा हुए थे, 90s में इनका prime शुरू होने वाला था, and at their prime completely taken away. So you can
But
see why
the-
people
It's
want them
funny.
to be alive.
Even few months back, it was the exact same scenario in US.
Yeah.
Arnav,
That community
all
had to.
research.
Yeah,
Actually, one
they
thing to
literally have
note-
to
All research.
they have to come out on the streets and say कि boss, like Dave Chappelle ने वो बोला था ना कि वो मस्त तरीके से कि एक earthquake में मेरी 8 सेकंड के लिए वो होगी, तुमने 8 मिनट के लिए किसी के गले पे वो रखा, 8 minutes and 42 seconds वाला जो उसने बोला था, मैं एक earthquake में I was
Yeah.
terrorized for this second, और 8 मिनट के लिए if you put your neck on someone's, your knee on someone's neck, how terrifying is that as a
But this-
human being?
And this is 2020.
And this happened in
Imagine.
2020 and it got captured. The only difference is that it got captured, you know?
no, just to
We are
put,
diverting about.
no, just to put them into perspective,
Back
Arnav, like the greatness of these guys is that these guys
Hmm.
made those albums at the age of 24. I think Tupac was 25 when he got shot, and Biggie was like 24. That is incredible. Like that level to reach is, I don't think anyone, even we talk about Eminem,
They're
but Eminem's not nowhere close to that level. Like, these guys
no,
made
because
them-
But you know, इसमें-
see, I will not compare them specifically for this. कि
No, no.
सबका experience अलग है.
अलग है.
Because their
They
experience.
were at a time where it was culturally relevant.
Yeah,
completely different.
Eminem gave a side of.
Eminem is in his own.
He
Oh,
gave a
no.
side of white poverty.
No, no,
He
I
gave
meant-
like an
yeah.
example of.
Yeah.
वो. Because
No, wrong
but
example, not
इनका
Eminem,
is-
but like a similar black
But
rapper,
you-
I would say, comparatively
because see,
today.
Eminem got mainstream fame, so that's why a lot of people will genuinely be like, नहीं, ये लोगों ने इसको वो बना poster child बना दिया rap का, but he was responsible for rap becoming such a global phenomenon.
Yeah.
You can like it or dislike it.
And I'm a
he
huge,
normalized
I'm a
it
huge
for a lot of
fan.
people.
I'm a huge fan.
No,
of
that's
Eminem.
my thing. But his experiences will obviously be different from someone who is African American and grew up in those communities. But
And who's gone through that struggle.
yeah, Eminem ka,
Yeah.
apart from racial discrimination from he faced poverty from a young age himself.
And bad
He comes from a very poor
childhood.
place. Yeah, of abusive childhood.
Okay, but
single parent. and
Back
all
to
that.
conspiracy. What do you, Kevin? We know what Kevin thinks. So what do you think, Amrit?
No,
I'll see.
my view will
It's-
always be that
it's a,
it was a gang conflict in which two innocents died.
yeah, that's what
That's what I feel.
it was. Unfortunate. Two great musicians died.
But Puffy
like that.
and Suge Knight can't ever say that हमें पता नहीं था कि what we were leading them down,
No,
because
they
they
yeah.
marketed the violence in so many ways.
Yep.
And their
They
music,
used
the,
that
But you
the
think
music industry also
इसमें-
marketed it.
animosity and just marketed it completely.
But
into
इसमें
pop.
these two musicians who died, do you think they had no idea what they were doing? Like वो किस gang से involved
of
थे?
the consequence. No, I think, but that's part of the. It's a cultural thing, right? Like many people say that कि like तुम्हें तो पता है कि तुम gang affiliates है वो. But if I do not have any other, there is no legal recourse for me to be part of the system. Obviously, whoever is paying me and my community, बचपन से अगर मेरे around drug runners हैं, तो I will normalize it. हम drugs के against ऐसे क्यों बात करते हैं? Because none of our parents use drugs in the house, और हमारे around culturally it was not normalized. Just reverse the situation and be born in a family where घर पे खाना नहीं आएगा अगर तुमने roll नहीं किया या cutting में तुम part नहीं हो. It becomes normal. That's how people make money until they turn legit. Like rap make line है ना, like I getting out of the hood वाला जो बोलते हैं कि like how can I earn my way out of this, like break out. So उनके लिए it became normalized culturally. That's what I feel. And I don't think they expected to be screwed over that way also. I thought they just thought it was rap beef, but it turned into something else
And
completely.
they portrayed it,
Right. I mean,
and these guys, the big guys, they actually portrayed it to earn fame because they wanted the rap to be evolved into a whole nother level. So they made sure it is a West versus East. So people pick sides. There is more controversy. There is more records will be sold. They did it that way on purpose.
yeah, it creates unnecessary noise, so people ज़्यादा interest लेते हैं subject में, right? So whenever there is any controversy, any इस type की चीजें, people are more involved in the whole subject. But it's fascinating that you guys said कि two innocent musicians, right? I'm just मुझे history पता नहीं है, so for me it's very unfair to say anything on this subject. But seems like it's a very fine line कि even though culture was like that it promoted drugs, it was a very normal thing for that community, but it was still illegal, I believe, right? I don't think that was a part of a legal system. So I think it's very maybe they didn't know anything what they went into, like they were completely unaware of this that side of the world. They were just maybe interested in money part, fame part, and obviously creating great content, great music. But it's very hard to say were they completely innocent or pata nahi. At least for me it's very gray area. It's not black and white.
I think it's innocent as in a comparative case, because these guys, you're talking about guys who have gotten fame at the age of 19 and died at the age of 24. So I don't think they thought about consequences of getting involved in such things.
Exactly. Yeah, that's a good point. कि उनको पता ही नहीं होगा कि ये कहाँ तक जा सकती है चीज, right? I mean, they were involved in something as a pretty normal thing. Oh, it's a drugs है या जो भी है, music है, जो भी है. But वो कहाँ से कहाँ turn ले गया? I mean, I don't think they even expected, as you said, because at the age of 19, 20, 21, you're completely unaware of that side of the world, right?
And the equivalent superstars that they would see on the other side, like if they compared it to any like, okay, for lack of a better example, any white artist that they were parallelly famous as, you think when you achieve a certain amount of fame that the people around you will somehow protect you, but they were shown in a very cruel way that regardless of their fame, death was like one wrong turn away.
True. Especially इतने young में, if they are so talented at the age of 21, 22,
short
जो भी
of
थे,
some sort of
it's
drug
like,
overdose, did anyone ever think that Britney Spears, Miley Cyrus, or any of those people were in ever any mortal danger? Like, I don't think so.
nope.
Anyway, moving on to the next conspiracy theory or mystery case. Amrit, from one police blunder to another.
मेरा वाला भी पुलिस के ऊपर जाएगा बहुत ज़्यादा. Do you want to like go with
Yeah.
Arnav's thing?
No, it's okay. I'm very.
It's okay. Let's just do police because the Talwar case is more recent, I feel.
I'm really interested
Than Arnav.
Arushi Talwar.
So the reason I chose the 2008 Arushi Talwar double murder is very specifically because it is an unsolved. I want to focus more on the unsolved part of it because the mystery is something that I could never fathom, because that was the first time maybe in North America जिस तरीके से O.J. Simpson trial हुआ था सबके आंखों के सामने, 2008 में हमारे लिए one of the most famous cases in North, especially Delhi area में, was the Arushi Talwar case, because we saw it play out in the newspapers, in popular discourse very prominently. So just for a short intro to what happened to anyone who hasn't heard of the Arushi Talwar case, 2008 May, around May 16th, May is the exact date, but a 14-year-old girl's body was found inside her home by her parents with her. She was found dead with her throat slit, and the servant who worked in the house was also not seen, was missing. So the body was found by the parents and their maid. Okay, so they had a male servant who also lived in the house inside their house. So this is a 3 BHK, and it's going to be very important to focus on these details because they become crucial in the mystery part of this entire topic. Now the parents के room के side में बेटी का room है, बेटी के room में internet router सब placed है, and बीच में hallway है, and hallway की इस तरफ servant quarters है. 3 rooms. ठीक है, ये सेकंड फ्लोर पे रहते हैं और इनके ऊपर एक छत है. नाउ छत जाने के 2 तरीके हैं. कम थ्रू द मेन डोर मेन डोर हैज 3 doors, बट मेन डोर से आओगे और एक साइड एंट्री है जो आई बिलीव सर्वेंट के रूम से जाती है बाहर. तो essentially servant can come in and out without coming through the main door, which many places have that facility. So what happens on 16th May is this. खबर निकलती है सबसे पहले कि maid और parents are reputed dentists, the Talwars, who became very famous, Rajesh and Nupur Talwar, very famous dentists, especially in that area. इंडिया में सारे डॉक्टर फेमस होते हैं, उनके अमीर होते हैं वो, बट फेमस उनके 2 क्लिनिक्स वगैरह हैं, वेरी रेप्यूटेड, सोसाइटी के अपर मिडिल क्लास में आप मानोगे उन्हें. They find this dead body of their 14-year-old daughter, a student of Delhi Public School. I'm not sure which DPS, but Delhi Public Schools are, for anyone who doesn't know, most elite, high fees. बच्चे usually बाहर जाते हैं पढ़ने, and it's quite high level schools हैं वहाँ पे उनके. तो यहाँ पे इनको बॉडी मिलती है 14 साल के बच्चे की, और इनका मेड जो घर पे सर्वेंट था मिसिंग है. तो पुलिस आती है, पुलिस को डेड बॉडी मिलती है, पुलिस does in their opinion cursory check. ये यूपी पुलिस थी, उस थाने वाले लोग आते हैं, immediately वो उनके they put out कि अच्छा उस बंदे ने ही करा होगा. So ये जो सर्वेंट जो मिसिंग है, हेमराज करके जो है, he is missing. नेपाली सर्वेंट था, he is a Nepal national. So they are like, he is missing, so obviously he is the murderer, because obviously you will not suspect off the bat कि influential, rich, but not forget influential, rich, upper middle class लोग अपनी 14 साल की बेटी को क्यों मारेंगे? Nobody even remotely thinks that it is them. Servant भी बोलती है हाँ मैंने देखा था. तो a hunt begins for this Nepali servant. This is the 16th of May when the body is found. So then क्या होता है कि this is where everything I believe ends for this case also, because 16th May के अंदर ही everything that you need to know, that I gave you the basic description about the house, the mystery happens and ends on that day. The girl's body is cleaned for cremation. The family immediately is like given over the body by the police. The police does not particularly, now there are conflicting things, but apparently police ने cursory check किया था of the house and looked, and they immediately turned, हाँ ये तो murder case ही है, servant missing है, तो obviously उसी ने किया होगा. And body is cleaned, body is क्या कहते हैं, they don't ऊपर नीचे नहीं देखते. There are some blood stains on the steps leading up to the terrace and everything, and इनको लगता है कि जो murderer होगा उसी ने कुछ करा होगा. तो दिल्ली में 17 मई को सबको खबर मिलती है अखबार में फ्रंट पेज, 14 साल की डेंटिस्ट की बच्ची मर चुकी है. बट इस केस में अजीब ट्विस्ट आता है. पेरेंट्स अगले दिन हरिद्वार जाते हैं क्रिमेशन और उसके लिए. ठीक है, जब वो हरिद्वार में जा रहे हैं तब क्या होता है, ड्यू टू सम लैक ऑफ, क्योंकि इतना मीडिया अटेंशन मिला इनको, ये भूल गए कि ये भी अमीर हैं. तो क्या होता है, अमीर लोगों के घर में डेथ होती है, न्यूज चैनल्स वर नॉट एज इन्वेजिव एज दे आर नाउ. सब घुस जाते हैं न्यूज चैनल्स, ऑल द न्यूज चैनल्स अराइव एंड they flood the house, and you know what happens, they are asking everything, कौन थे ये लोग, अरे तलवार तो बहुत अच्छी फैमिली है, इनके लाइफ में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, रेप्यूटेड फैमिली, वो तो नेपाली गार्ड था, उसने कुछ करा होगा. दिस इज हैपनिंग ऑन 16th 17th टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया, सब जो हम पढ़ते थे उस टाइम पे घर पे लिखा आ रहा है कि लाइक डेंटिस्ट की बेटी के साथ ऐसा हुआ, देखो कितना.
This was still while it was a crime scene, right? That the
yeah, but it's no longer no, you have to understand this. The house is not a crime scene right now. पुलिस को लगता है कि क्राइम सीन डिसाइड हो चुका है ना, क्राइम हैज बीन डिसाइडेड, इट्स अ क्राइम सीन. आकाश, क्राइम सीन मींस दैट यू कॉर्डन इट ऑफ. 50 लोग घुस चुके अंदर, तो इट्स नो लॉन्गर क्राइम सीन.
They cordoned off later, no? And it was already too late.
The house has been cleaned also. The body has been cleaned. The cremation is done. Parents हरिद्वार जाके आ रहे हैं. तो क्या होता है, एक ट्विस्ट आता है स्टोरी में. तो ये बोलते हैं कि यार हमें छत में जाके कुछ मैट्रेस का कुछ चेक करना है. एक बंदा बोलता है इन्हीं की छत पे. तो पहले द कॉन्स्पिरेसी दैट राजेश तलवार रिफ्यूजेस टू गिव द चावी और समथिंग, बट नेक्स्ट डे 17th को द केस का सबसे बड़ा ट्विस्ट और वो आता है when they force open the terrace. You can go and look into how it happened, because it's also a sequence of events, but essentially they cannot stop the terrace being accessed anymore. ठीक है, until then, like maybe it's a slip of mind, they didn't think of it, और उनको ऊपर terrace का access चाहिए था. Terrace पे they go and they find the half burnt dead body of Hemraj. तो this entire time जब नीचे घर साफ हो रहा है, मर्डर वेपन नहीं मिला, कुछ नहीं मिला, और ये ढूंढ रहे हैं कि हम नेपाल जाके इस बंदे को ढूंढेंगे बिकॉज एवरीवन अज्यूम्ड ही इज इन नेपाल. सुबह 6 बजे जब बॉडी मिली थी उसकी मम्मी ट्राइज कॉलिंग हेमराज ऑल्सो and somebody picks up the phone, disconnects it, and
Yep,
then
Yaz has been
switches it off. Body is found at 6. This happens. तो they छत पे जाके they are like छत पे तो इसकी डेड बॉडी पड़ी है. तो clearly either he is a victim या और कुछ mad thing has happened here. तो that's when the case starts turning ridiculous. 3 दिन के अंदर ही somebody now क्योंकि the family ने cremation भी हो गया, पेरेंट्स के हाथ में ashes हैं, सब कुछ भी है और वो हरिद्वार होके भी वापस आ गए, तो अब तुम्हारे पास लाइक स्वॉब्स और वो सब तो बचे नहीं. You have nothing, bodily evidence does not exist. This is where the mystery of this case begins. Because now you have 2 dead bodies. You do not particularly have any set motive because तुम्हारा जो murderer था वो भी मर चुका है. और somehow the police now feel extremely stupid because तुम्हारे ऊपर एक dead body पड़ी थी in like वो stage, like पूरा खून का वो था, but you didn't investigate it. So now what has happened? So the mystery that confuses me in this entire case is if I just recreate the night they died. That is the part that confuses me. I will put it in front of you and you can then start saying कि तुम्हारी theory क्या है. So the last, let us, if you just fast forward to that night. I have told you इस घर में 3 रूम थे, 3 रूम थे, ठीक है. लड़की के रूम में राउटर है. Now as you know about वो कि पेरेंट्स कितना इंटरनेट कंट्रोल करते हैं, तो इंटरनेट ऑन या ऑफ करने के लिए somebody has to go to the girl's room. The autopsy says that the girl died between 12 a.m. to 1 a.m. बेस कि 12 से 1 के बीच में दोनों मरे हैं. बोथ हैव डाइड सेम साइट ऑफ सर्जिकल, वो जो था कट था दोनों की बॉडी में फाइंड किया गया था. बोथ वर फर्स्ट डेड बाय ब्लंट फोर्स ट्रॉमा. सर पे किसी ने स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑब्जेक्ट से मारा है which has caused this. Hemraj was especially hit from behind apparently. Now the theories are that the parents found the servant and the daughter in a compromising situation. That was the first thing that was said to
I
everyone.
remember.
Then they said कि actually ऐसा नहीं था. The parents were a swinging couple. तो इसलिए बच्ची को पता लगा, बच्ची started an affair, so बच्ची got killed. But हमें पता बस इतना है कि रात को 12 से 1 के बीच में इनकी डेथ हुई है. 12-8 को was the last time the internet was accessed. रात के बीच में the mother has apparently gone to the room or something to turn off the router or something. And that is which always confused people कि अगर आप एक माँ हो और आप जा रहे हो वहाँ पे turn off करने राउटर को, क्योंकि middle of the night if your husband tells you जाके router internet off करो. First of all, why? But secondly, आप वहाँ जाके ये करोगे क्यों? और आपकी जिस रूम में आप जा रहे हो वहाँ पे बॉडी पड़ी है. Okay, there is a dead body lying there of your own child. So, but some people are like रात के बीच में नींद में पता नहीं लगा होगा. So this is all the information people know, and then the bodies are discovered at 6. So obviously, apart from all of this, nobody ever found out any other information. कोई वो नहीं था. There is a driver who came, जो उनका ड्राइवर था 10:30 को रात को आया था इनके घर पे, जिसने ड्रॉप ऑफ किया था इसके पिताजी को, and he testified that 2 things. He saw Arushi alive at 10:30 with her mother standing at the dining table, and and the husband was wearing the same clothes the next day जब body पकड़ी गई थी. No blood spatter or anything, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. And the mother says जब वो रात को आई थी रूम में और something उसने देखा था, उसकी बेटी कोई before that last time she remembers it, वो कोई किताब पढ़ रही थी. चेतन भगत की कोई 3 mistakes of my life, very ironic in my opinion, but she was reading a book like that. Beyond that, nobody knows. First they said that it was the parents. Second they said that लड़की पे बेचारी बच्ची पे किसी ने rape attempt किया था, disgruntled employees ने, but every one of them had an alibi. So in 2013 the parents were like 4 साल के लिए उनको life imprisonment सा मिला था, but 17 में इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट या ने इनको completely exonerate कर दिया कि कोई evidence ही नहीं है इनके खिलाफ. It is one of the most comic instances of sad but comic. I call it comic because everyone has tried to implicate them, but nobody till date actually knows कि हुआ क्या था. And that is the mystery of all of this entire thing. कि not one person can conclusively say कि क्या हुआ था.
There was also one theory that someone, probably guys from outside, came into the house, raped the girl, and the security guard or whatever caught them, and then they killed the
Possible.
security guard. There was
No, the
another theory
secu-
that was going around like
the
that.
security guard was the servant. No, those the
The
servant. So
servant, his servant, sorry.
yeah, because the thing is, a white discharge was found on her private parts.
Yeah,
Okay, so it was set. It when it was tested, it was came out to be inconclusive because the body had been cleaned, the sample
Yeah.
was tampered with. But then it was another a female doctor. Yeah, I know somebody came out and said, "Ki boss, she was at menstrual wale usme thi wo." So that menstrual discharge is normal. So you cannot just say ki it was because back then that was supposed to be the biggest thing. Like then when the Hemraj's body was found, they said his genitals were engorged. So the defense lawyer said ki clearly he had been caught in the act of sex, and that's when he was killed. So then they said medically aisa nahi hai. There are many cases ki death ke baad your genitals might get engorged. So then the defense lawyer said, "Oh, I didn't mean this out of science. मेरी personal married life से मुझे पता है कि my genital." This is actually on record, by the way. But he said कि married life के experience पे मैं ऐसे बोल रहा हूँ. So you can see it's a lot of ridiculous behavior. Like I spent back then, I just followed the headlines. I think somewhere in uni I got interested again because it's nobody knows. Nobody really knows. Like there are so many rumors, but nobody knows कि उस रात को क्या हुआ था. Now the parents have a Netflix thing. Sorry, a Hotstar पे है वो अभी. जिनमें I was listening to that. I think before we were recording also, just to hear कि ये क्या बोल रहे हैं. And it's essentially कि हमने तो कुछ करा ही नहीं है. पर किसी ने तो कुछ किया है ना. But that's the thing, and you want to believe them because obviously evidence नहीं है तो like
So-
just because you can't blame them. But
So, Amrit, for you, what do you think
okay,
happened?
in my opinion, and this will in my personal opinion, based on the schematics of the house, that's the
Mhm.
only part which like confuses me the most, is that the part behavior about वो router on and off, and that girl's friend trying to contact her throughout the night, because the girl has a friend, school friend, who is like 12:30 तक इसको try कर रहा है, call कर रहा है, trying to find out, which seemed like a very panicked male reaction कि like I know something is going wrong, something is off. Like वो नहीं, तुम स्कूल में जो तुम्हारे वो दोस्त है जिससे तुम रात को वो सब बात कर रहे हो, कुछ कर रहे हो, like
Yeah.
I feel that child's version was never asked. अनमोल करके एक लड़का है. But in my opinion, the outside से कोई आया है, definitely बोल सकते हो कि बाहर से कोई आया है, but the way it was presented by the family, the way things were done, makes me feel that it is blatantly an inside job. Me personally, कि it's not like there is something that is not being revealed. Maybe it's an embarrassing detail or
The
some part
nature of
it,
the
I feel.
death, the fact that it was a surgical, people kept saying it's a surgical
Yeah, they
cut
kept
and
saying,
everything.
but उसका भी एक वो था
So-
ना, like he's a dentist.
Yeah.
He's not a
He's a
surgeon.
dentist, he's not a surgeon.
Surgeon,
But
so
he
you can't
might
say
know.
Yeah,
that
but
people say that.
exactly. Now
But
we are just
still.
coming up with theories based on what. For
Yeah.
me, it's the router. It's the fact that they could never find the murder weapon. They could never find Hemraj ka phone, even though his mother के उसमें record है कि सुबह 6 बजे बुलाया था. And they went on that long ass trip. And one thing you know is that seemed like a very blatantly,
Alibi type thing.
I don't know, evidence destroying trip in my mind. In my
Okay.
mind, when I just read it, like because it's like that same day they leave their entire thing, and there is one theory ki because of the media attention, ऊपर वाली body could not be moved, and वो दरवाजा नहीं खुलवा रहे थे ऊपर वाला terrace का. Those are the parts which seemed like really shady to me. Now the reverse could be that you can look at it like this: हमारी बच्ची की मौत हुई है. We want to move on from this terrible pain as soon as possible so that we can start the grieving process. And if they give us full वो permission to क्या कहते हैं, clean the house and everything, why wouldn't we do that? Obviously we'll start the last rites, no? Essentially, like you can look at both sides and see like ki, oh yeah, that also kind of makes sense. But in my opinion, it would be impossible to pull it off without an inside role in it, in my opinion.
I think मेरा भी so दो points. First of all, this is a perfect example जब people don't do their jobs right. सही से. This is a perfect example. Now, can you imagine a crime scene जहाँ किसी 14 या जो भी age थी लड़के की उसका murder हुआ है, and पुलिस ने ठीक से पूरा घर इन्वेस्टिगेट नहीं किया. Can you beat it? Like it's such a basic. अपन movies देख के ही सीख जाते हैं. Like you so पुलिस ने उनके छत पे ही नहीं गई. Can you imagine, right? छत या जो होगा घर में. So that's one thing. And secondly, at least उस टाइम पे तो मैंने ज्यादा फॉलो नहीं किया था. After I think sometime in 2010 2011 के टाइम पे when I read about it, at least to me it was quite evident personally again कि parents had to be involved based on जो उसमें रात को incidents हुए थे. At least I was convinced based on the facts which were presented by the media कि parents had to be involved उसमें. Maybe उन्होंने directly नहीं किया हो, but they allowed someone. There was ऐसा भी कुछ time था कि they allowed someone in and उन्होंने काम कराया ये, and then basically so but at the जो भी अमृत ने point बोला कि they went on that trip, right? उसमें एक fascinating चीज मुझे ये भी लगी कि अगर पुलिस मिस कर गई थी बॉडी फॉर एग्जांपल छत पे, राइट, एंड इफ दे वर इन्वॉल्वड एक्चुअली पेरेंट्स, they should have or they could have maybe removed that body from terrace, right? That feels a weird part that they left the body and
But
they went for a tour.
would that be because so
Yeah,
media
because
is like
no,
watching them?
yeah, because they said they never accounted for the fact that people would it was the thing amongst, as it seems, is कि they never accounted for the fact that police और लोग इतने police, yes, but the media part of it swarming over usme the people were like, because the body was kept close to the air conditioning cooling part of the chat, so that I assume a putrefaction or smell and
Yeah,
everything
smell
cover up
that
करने
they
के लिए
put in
blood ज़्यादा
ice.
उसका
You
था.
see in movies at least they put in ice
Yeah.
to stop the smell.
Yeah, so and that is the part which confused like many कि इन्होंने अगर अच्छा उन्होंने वो वाली body क्यों नहीं छुपाई अगर उन्होंने वो किया है.
No, true.
That's my
वो
thing. Because यार मैं I have lived in a household in a 2 BHK 3 BHK यार, it short of headphones full volume पे होना in a flat, it is very hard
Yeah.
for large scale things to happen. Like I'm not saying it can't happen, we should never say that क्योंकि coincidence कुछ भी हो सकता है, but I'm like, for the amount of things that have happened, it feels very
And
very sketchy.
Also, just to point out that this is all speculation on what we've heard and what we are not professionals. We have no idea what happened.
No, obviously, like
All our
we are talking about an unsolved mystery.
Yeah,
It's our
yeah,
opinion
just
on
our
an
opinion.
unsolved mystery.
That what we
But as a layman, it just seems like यार किसी को तो कुछ पता होगा. And if they are
Exactly.
completely innocent,
But
then why until now can't
When-
anyone find a credible
when the-
opinion towards किसने और क्या
when
होगा?
the police did all the thing like, okay, it's a murder, and they allowed the body to be like cremated and everything, I can't remember, did the parents actually say no, like we want an investigation proper, or did they just say agree quick?
No. They see the thing
I
is
can't
that
remember.
it is said on record that on 16th May, apparently Rajesh Talwar offered the cops 25,000 rupees to go to Nepal, उनका trip वो करना, fund करना, to go and find Hemraj. And they were apparently very like क्या कहते हैं, they wanted the investigation to they wanted them to like he quote stop wasting time at the house and go
Oh,
and hunt for the murderer.
And
okay.
So see,
I actually good summary, Amrit. I actually had a few points. So first of all, the moment the police came the first time, there were about 15 to 20 people in the house already. The parents are educated. They should have known this basic thing that you have to call the police. And if the intentions were that we need to find the killer, they should have called the police immediately. There was a gap of about 2 hours before the police was informed. So firstly, that gave like 15 to 20 relatives came. Like so much movement in the house that tampered everything. And they are smart enough to know that. Secondly, as per CBI, they identified a few cops who were given money to specifically remove any sexual references to be removed out of the autopsy report. And Amrit talked about the white thing that was not semen apparently from a private part. Apparently, though that has some link of cleaning agent. So there is a lot of worry that her body was tampered with to remove the sexual references out of the report completely. So it was cleansed. Basically, in other words, they would cleanse it up. And lastly, it's another point was it is a 1,300 square foot apartment. If anyone was like dimensions, 1,300 square feet is tiny. There is no way these people didn't hear any sound at all. And the girl's room is right next to the parents' room. So if there was like a bunch of people coming and raping her, etc., someone would have heard that noise, guaranteed. And next was the fact that the next day itself, the parents wanted the body cremated. So if they were trying to destroy proof, cremation was the best way to go. The father allegedly, like Amrit said, 25,000 to police. He gave 25,000 to police to go chase this guy in Nepal. How does he know that this guy is the one who raped her? I mean, anything can be happen. He can have accomplices. And the fact that police listened to him, it was a bribe to get, like, it was the attention, like they wanted to divert attention. Next was like, the father ordered the driver, whose name was some Krishna, Umesh Sharma. Yeah, Umesh Sharma was the name of the driver. He ordered him to remove the mattress that the daughter was murdered on from the house. Why would he do that? Is that the priority currently? Like, and the fact that he ordered cleaners to come in immediately and get the apartment cleaned up, that is clear sign. He sent the police out to investigate in Nepal, and that bought him enough time to clean the apartment, which is destroy evidence. Next was when CBI investigated the mattress and the sheets. What they suspected was that if a throat was slit, the blood should splatter. There was a backpack next to her on the bed. There was sheets. There was some of her clothes, but there was no blood on the bags, on the clothes, on the sheets, but the mattress in the center part, which shows that someone cleansed it and then placed those things after the murder just to make it seem like it is normal. So this clearly shows that it had to be an inside job. It had to be, and so that there's no other alternate. I think it's just that these are all theories,
So
but they
do you
couldn't
guys
prove it. If they would have got there on time and searched the apartment on time, the parents would have been caught. At least one of the parents were involved in it.
do you guys think it was
Guaranteed.
just the situation was that the parents came back, they saw their daughter and the servant together, and they were like,
No, they
no.
were in the house. No, they were all in the house. Like the father has call records talking to people
Okay.
right up to 11 or 11:30, like 12:08.
So you
He was talking to people in Chicago. He talked to someone in UAE.
So do you think they
Sab
just
hai.
they caught them and then they said this can't be happening and they just went the next step?
See, I
Do you think
don't
it was
I
like
don't
that?
want to assume that the child was having. I don't want to just blatantly assume that the child was having sexual
Yeah.
relations
Intercourse.
with the servant, just because it's a plausible theory that that's the only reason why the father would get angry enough to, like, I don't want to assume that. I just think that for me, the part I can never speculate on how. I can mostly speculate on the why part of it, because I genuinely feel that it was a
Yeah, so
crime of
basically
passion.
okay, yeah.
Crime of passion, but I think which was then had to be covered up, because Kevin ने बहुत interesting जो बोला था, that was something that again, that the murder scene was not the room, because
Yep.
if the murder scene is not the room, then whatever happened, if it happened somewhere else, अगर छत पे हुआ है या नीचे कहीं हुआ है, and then it changes the final resting spot of the child to be a some sort of like ritualistic wo ki let me put you at ease wala thing कि like I want the child's memory to be like remembered कि बच्ची बेड पे सो रही थी और उसे मार दिया किसी ने. It seemed a lot like
Yes.
that if you keep those factors in mind, because the entire theory that was spread is what father finds them in a sexual act और बाहर से लोग आए बच्ची को असॉल्ट करने की कोशिश करी एंड देन दे एंडेड अप किलिंग
Yeah.
हर, और लाइक पेरेंट्स के नॉलेज में बाहर इन ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स द रूम में कुछ ना कुछ डिस्टर्बेंस तो होगा ही there, and if blood has been spilled in that room, because it's not just that there was a rape attempt or rape in that room, it was also murder हुआ है
Yeah.
इस room में. As Kevin said, there would be blood
But
stains all around.
if it was
All of those theories
outside,
go out.
people would just be like, let's get the hell out of here after here. Not very rarely would it
Yeah,
be like
like
clean up.
if the child has been assaulted outside in the hallway or one of those places, because then it becomes even murkier. If
Yeah.
a child was assaulted in the hallway and parents बोल रहे हैं कि AC इतना loud है कि हमें कुछ सुनाई
There is
नहीं
no
दिया.
way.
Then-
There is
That's
no
it.
way that the room stays so clean that like
No way.
the child would have fought. Even if it's a 13-year-old, she will kick out things. The bag is not going to stay on the bed. The sheet is not going to stay in perfect. It's not
both
possible.
people who ended up dying in this thing were affected by similar injury, similar object and same cut. So clearly same person ने कुछ ना कुछ किया. So you can say same group of
Yeah.
people or like same work.
I think the parents were involved. I believed that from the start. But there was also on another note, there was also that Talwar movie. I had never watched it. Have you guys seen it?
I couldn't, like, honestly, it was too painful
Yeah,
for me to.
I just felt like I don't want to go into that mindset and just go put myself through that and think this poor.
क्योंकि
It's
भाई
sad. I didn't want
Akash,
to
I
go through
lived
that.
through it.
But I
I
wanted to
saw
be-
it. Like I remember
Yeah.
that headline जब Times of India में आई थी. I will never forget it. It said, "Papa killed Ayushi," and I was like,
Yeah, no.
bro, that I remember this first time ever, like just throwing down the newspaper. Next time would be जब निर्भया आया था.
Either
But my God.
Star News or Z News पे तलवार ने तलवार को मारा.
Yeah.
So
It's
like
ridiculous.
these stupid headlines are like, oh my god. I mean, but my thing was I wanted to know what, just on a separate note, what the movie was insinuating. Who was? I don't think
know.
because I find it hard to
I didn't watch it.
believe that they would say, "Oh, it's the parents' fault." Oh,
No,
it's
I
this
think
fault.
they
they'll
raised a
just
lot
go
of
like,
question on the police
Yeah.
ineptitude of the entire thing.
yeah. I think
I believe
think
that's a
the
trailer
police.
से
Yeah,
मुझे
the
समझ
police
आया
messed
था.
up royally. Yeah, the police I know
But
messed up
वही है ना,
royally. That everyone
every
can agree
point
on.
which Kevin raised, now उसका एक humanistic वो है. Now, okay, for there is an explanation for every single point Kevin raised and every single point that I raised, because अगर तुम्हारे घर में किसी की death हुई है, अगर तुम्हारे सामने someone has died, rational thinking, it's not like a TV serial जब तुम because I honestly, my perspective, like I said na, on one hand I can be like, वो if I'm rational, I understand कि parents के बिना जाने हो ही नहीं सकता. But if I now reverse it and I think कि if I was involved in this case, that's why this case is such a ridiculous mystery. Because अगर मैं जब लोग कहते हैं ना कि जब moment कुछ medical emergency हो जाती है, तुम हॉस्पिटल को बुलाते हो या 911 या whatever it is जो मूवीज में दिखाते हैं. जब मेरे डैड का फर्स्ट अटैक मेरे सामने हुआ था, जब उनको हार्ट का वो इशू होता, एंड मैं तो इतने टीवी शोज देखे हैं मैंने, मुझे तो पूरा प्रोटोकॉल आता है. आई एक्सपीरियंस्ड अ फ्रीज, लाइक आई डोंट नो व्हाट द राइट थिंग टू डू इज नेक्स्ट व्हेन यू नो समबडी इज डाइंग और किसी की हालत खराब है. लाइक आई एक्सपीरियंस्ड इट फर्स्ट हैंड कि लाइक इट एक्चुअली मैं इतना फ्रीज हो गया था कि इट वाज माय मदर हु हैड टू कम इन एंड बी लाइक, अबे बेवकूफ, वी नीड टू स्टार्ट डूइंग समथिंग, व्हाट तुम क्या कर रहे हो. इट्स फॉर, एंड देयर वाज नो रैशनल डिसीजन कि पहले डॉक्टर को बुलाओ. इसलिए कौन सी एम्बुलेंस को बुलाऊं, कौन से हॉस्पिटल को बुलाना है, या डू वी कॉल नेबर्स. एंड दिस इज व्हेन आई एम लाइक 22 23. आई एम नॉट अ चाइल्ड आल्सो पर से, बट दिस इज माय डैड. सो नाउ इमेजिन अ पेरेंट जिनके सामने बच्ची मर गई है. I cannot particularly say they would do all the rational things.
Yeah.
Obviously, you'll call your neighbors first. Obviously, you'll call नीचे जो लोग हैं. Obviously, you'll just, because they say Rajesh Talwar just started screaming loudly, and just people started gathering, and they didn't think to call the police. And once the police said कि they were looking for Hemraj, they were like, okay, go and भाई अगर उसने किया है तो ये लो पैसे, जाओ उसे पकड़ के लाओ. नेपाल जाना मुश्किल है तो जाओ लेके आओ. मान लो कोई कांस्टेबल खड़ा है और बोल रहा है कि
clean the apartment and get rid
Kevin,
of the
I'll give you an
Yeah.
I'll give you an explanation for that also. कि I now सब आ रहे हैं, सब बोल रहे हैं बच्चे कि I don't want to remember this as the place where my child
Yeah.
died. I want it to go back to perfection. See, if I think of it as a human being, I can come up with an explanation. Now, if I try to think super rational Sherlock Holmes mode, then it's like, अच्छा ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता, आपको पता नहीं था. But if I think of it as
Yeah,
if
that
I
point,
think of it as a series of coincidences, then it's
like if you found out something like that happened, then you'd be in grief and you just cry out loud or something. I don't think it wouldn't hit me instantly. I just feel that I have to call the police now.
at
It'll
all.
just be a moment of
Not
grief.
once.
Then it'll,
I don't want to deal with strangers right now. But I said, Narayam, I didn't have the presence of mind to
I
call
can see
an.
that,
I
yeah.
didn't have the presence of mind to even call an ambulance
I
when I
do,
saw
but-
my dad having his attack. So I
but-
can't even say कि murder में वो क्या करते हैं.
But postmortem का report change करना and and force and putting
Kevin,
pressure
no,
to
yeah.
get the cremation done immediately.
That is there.
Kevin, cremation वाला part first postmortem में, like that phone call which says कि वो, like it sounds very shady. You're absolutely right. But in an Indian context, and I feel terrible saying this, आपकी बेचारी बच्ची के साथ assault हुआ, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि देखिए जी अब बच्ची मर गई है, अब उसके ऊपर ये भी बोल के उन्हें निकालना कि उसके साथ ये हुआ था. I'm saying from a human, I'm not saying it's correct. Please do not mistake me
Yeah.
for saying it's correct. I can see people
You
saying
can see
कि
the
like
other
यार
side.
अब आप, yeah, I can
Of
see the
what
other
they
side of
believe.
being like people saying कि like कि हमारे यार बच्ची के साथ ही छोटी बच्ची थी उसके साथ ऐसी घटिया घटना हुई, अब इसको लेकर आप उसके नाम के साथ all, okay, remember this, when the call is made to remove sexual assault from all of that, the request is made, it already has media attention, so people already know she's killed. Now वापस उस बच्ची के नाम की rape in general, let us be very honest, people are very unfortunately still apply loss of dignity, honor, pride in society over it. So we have already lost our kid. आप उसके नाम के साथ और मत उछालो कि her final hours were so gruesome and so painful. See, I can see it if I want to, but yeah, rationally
Still-
it feels like ऐसा हो नहीं सकता.
वही ना कि इसमें ये सारे जो भी theories हैं या जो भी facts हैं, none of them proves कि उन्होंने किया है. Okay, even when they try to cover up, they still have to prove it कि इन्होंने वो किया है, right? और इन्होंने maybe किसी को करवाया है. I don't think any of the evidence pointed towards that. At least जो मुझे समझ में आया. Again, we're not experts, but at least जो समझ में आया, maybe that's why the case was never in a way complete. It always remained a mystery for everyone.
Case died because of insufficient evidence produced
Evidence,
in
yeah.
court.
Yeah.
And tampered
In
with it.
court.
Don't forget.
The only part of it which was the unsolved mystery why I chose this is because that sequence of events that night, the fact that 10 years late, 12 years later, nobody can recreate that sequence, that is the most ridiculous part of it for me. Like 12
Because
saal baad,
it is unsolved, right? Even after all
Yeah.
these theories, facts,
Yeah.
कितना भी बोलो, court ने उनको clean chit दे दी because of whatever reasons, right? अब we can argue against it, we can come up with our own theories कि क्या हुआ होगा based on whatever facts which we have. But fact is, it's still unsolved. Like actually, no one knows क्या हुआ होगा.
राजेश तलवार ने बोला ना, no actual scientific test has proven us guilty. He says then that thing कि ऐसा एक भी scientific test नहीं है जिसमें हमें guilty बता रखा है.
It just sounds so
Yeah, when he
shady.
when he
Like-
said it that way, na, Akash, that
sound-
feeling, like that feeling, because in 2012,
It's just
2013,
uncomfortableness, like, oh my
let
god.
me admit this, like in 2012, 13, when I reignited interest in this case, was when I went through personal things in my family. That's when I completely understood every action of theirs. Let me be now that 6-7 years have passed and things are much better. Again, when I look at it, it's like the way he says it, no. कि
Yeah.
like scientifically तो आप हमें कुछ prove नहीं कर सकते. That's like okay, wait.
Yeah, I've seen the interviews. उसमें उनके खैर अब तो it's also pretty पुरानी है, but कभी वो ऐसे लगा नहीं कि they were actually emotionally hurt. Again, at least that's my judgment from based on the TV पे interview.
वही है
देखने से.
ना.
Doesn't mean anything.
But that's all we can do
But-
though यार. हमारा armchair
Exactly.
psychology is all we have. But
इसलिए वो case काफी fascinating है because of these reasons. Like you can come up with your own, you can pick your own sides. No matter what. तुम्हारे पास अपने fact है. Kevin के जो भी points हैं, they all are in a way true.
Yeah,
But
but
उसकी
as a
second side है जो
parent,
more humane side.
if I was a parent, at least if this crime has happened, I want to know the people who did it. I need to know the people. I'm not going to hide the facts. I'm not going to try to like divert the attention. Like this seems very.
It depends.
Kevin,
I'm
Kevin,
not gonna
I
goddamn
think, you
clean
know-
the apartment, man. Clean
No,
the
no,
apartment
Kevin,
will be
Kevin.
my last priority.
Kevin, I agree rationally you are 100% correct. But let me just say, what we think we'll do and what we'll do when we are in that emotional situation are two very different things.
But
I
I'm
feel. Personally,
no,
in
We
my
don't
opinion,
know.
I'm a germaphobe,
Yeah, that's
and
my
I
point.
won't clean the apartment. I won't live there first of all. I can't live there, or I won't enter that apartment ever again in that situation.
Thing is, yeah, exactly. Kevin, what you said right now, कि because इस India में क्या है, बहुत सारे ऐसी weird mentality है. Just because a very sad, very unfortunate incident has happened, people might think, we should get a cleaning done, we should get a puja done, we should get these things done. That's a very common mentality in India.
That's
कि
my
something
point.
bad has happened. So again, you can justify
Yeah.
either sides if you want to. So
Yeah, that's
इसलिए it's
you
very tricky thing.
they are, if you sit and talk with any of your family members about cultural context, they will justify every single thing. Can I tell you the worst thing? I know my parents would do everything they did. साफ कराओ पूरा जल्दी से, and like हाँ पहले पड़ोसी आएंगे, उसके बाद पुलिस काफी देर बाद आएगी, and पुलिस में तो किसी को भरोसा नहीं होगा, and everyone will be crying, and there is no concept of DNA or evidence. घंटा फर्क पड़ेगा किसी को. My parents might have multiple 5 to 10 degrees. I know in grief they would not think of one of those things. Personally, I don't think they would.
This case's biggest problem is that they didn't go to the damn terrace and look at that body. They made the biggest mistake and not sealing off that apartment. It was the open murder case. I don't understand how
Kevin,
these
they allowed
Allowed reporters
why
in.
did they
That's
let them come into that
crazy.
complex? There is a whiskey
like,
ki bottle,
what?
because the most famous theory that in for 4 or 5 years I believed was कि पिताजी शाम को आए थे, उनका कोई और किसी और चीज का मूड था, he was probably angry with the girl or something also, comes out drinking, I think कुछ internet check करने गए या something, walks into the room, sees something he doesn't want to see and loses his shit completely. Okay, that's the theory that was famous, because if you remember carefully also, the whiskey bottle with blood stains of both Hemraj and Ayushi are found in the house. A whiskey bottle that still remained there, which was used eventually by the Talwar's defense के saying कि अगर हम सामान छुपा ही रहे थे तो हम ऐसी bottle क्यों छुपाते, which was interesting. But again, it just raises the point of we have circumstantial evidence, we have theories which amount to nothing, because on May 16, 2008, Arushi was killed between 12 to 1. By 12 hours later, whatever chance of her killers being actually caught may have been destroyed also from this world. Same day.
Yeah.
Probably this case was lost on May 16th itself. Like, I think of it when I look at the timeline. 6 o'clock the body is officially discovered. 2 घंटे के अंदर वो होता है. By evening everything is finished. उसी एक दिन के अंदर आरुषि की लाइफ का everything was lost to us for good, I think. That's very sad. I find it so sad that a young child, whatever nightmare she lived through, we'll never find out.
It's really
but yeah.
sad.
इसमें like, if you think about it, even the family, they are not like very politically well connected. ऐसे angles भी नहीं थे उसमें. अगर ऐसे होते हैं, then you can, चलो ठीक है, then it's very easy to manipulate all these things.
But
इसमें they
that's
were
the thing,
upper
they
middle class
belong-
family. That's it.
Yeah, they would belong to a strata of society where they never had power, but they would have resources, but not such resources also where they can change an entire news story. Because understand,
Especially
if
it
a
was
politician
covered by media.
so brutally, like
So it
my
was
God.
covered for so many months.
Yeah.
My
It was
God.
crazy.
Sometimes
भाई,
even
आरुषि-
now.
नॉर्थ
Years
इंडिया
even,
में
but
नॉर्थ
yeah.
इंडिया के सबसे बड़े मिस्ट्रीज कौन से थे, मिस्ट्री/केसेस वो आरुषि, निर्भया एंड निठारी, एंड तीनों में 2 में दे फाउंड वो हु वाज रिस्पांसिबल, एंड लाइक निर्भया में अभी लास्ट दिस ईयर जाके वो हुआ है, दैट वाज 2012 टू वो
I mean, I don't think Nirbhaya was a mysterious, right? Nirbhaya was pretty open
no,
and shut.
but like I'm saying, okay, like cases covered so crazily, pure
yeah.
crime
Media-
cases
from
covered,
media perspective,
media
yeah.
attention. These are the 3 cases which defined Indian media into what it has turned in now. I mean, probably number 4 would be Sushant Singh Rajput this year, but उसके पहले के जो 3 cases थे जिसमें सबका like सब detective और Sherlock Holmes बन गए थे, were these 3 cases. And because Nirbhaya mein they found it fast, they found the perpetrators fast thanks to those cops and the bravery of Jyoti. But apart from in the other things, Nithari mein it took them time, and they eventually until they found कि घर के side में था उसने ही किया है. इसमें 12 साल हो गए हैं और किसी को कुछ नहीं पता.
No one
I
knows.
think this is one of the cases जहाँ I don't think कभी कुछ आएगा भी अब.
Unless something,
No.
see, it will take some random slip from one of those 2 people remaining, that is the parents. उनके सिवाय और कोई, nobody is going to like ever speak anything, I feel.
Yeah, highly doubt.
And who
क्योंकि
else knows? 4 officially 4 लोग थे उस घर के अंदर, उसमें 2 लोग जिंदा नहीं है.
maybe only those two
Okay,
know
so-
about it. So I don't think, maybe उन्हीं के साथ it will also end.
It has ended.
We're going to move on from this. So me and Arnav still have our things to discuss about. So we're going to make a part 2 episode on this. Next episode will be that. where we discuss mine and Arnav's theories and conspiracy theories or cases. So right now we'll just go quickly to Chhalang review. Amrit hasn't seen it, so we'll cover this very quickly. So me, Arnav, and Kevin have seen it. Kevin, you had some thoughts. This is much brighter note.
I hated it. I
the
absolutely
morbidness.
hated that movie.
You hated
It was
it?
so boring and so
Arnav, did you?
predictable. And I mean, there were one or two dialogues where like it was funny, like
It was funny, man. Kevin, you laughed at the beginning.
अच्छा
100%
एक
you
बेसिक
laughed at
आइडिया
the
दोगे
beginning.
पिक्चर
You said
किस
that.
बात पे है? What is this movie about?
PE teacher there, and it's a
it's very-
competition.
Yeah, it's a PT teacher who doesn't have any motivation, who's basically like that.
And
He's very lazy, he doesn't take his job seriously.
राजकुमार की
Okay.
एक्टिंग
Like
कैसी
a
है?
girl.
Basically. And
Amrit,
it's very simple story.
imagine a very
It's a
typical
very
Indian
sim-
PT teacher जहाँ पे sports को इतना भाव नहीं
Yeah.
होता. So he's chilling in his
Uh,
own world. He doesn't care about बच्चों के बारे में कुछ भी
He's
ज्यादा.
fixing his hair during a PT lesson. He's letting them do whatever they want. He's fixing
Yeah,
his
that's
it's a
hair.
small-
normal.
It's a small town story.
Yeah.
So it's a pretty normal जो इंडिया की
So,
reality है,
yeah.
right? And then obviously एक नई school teacher आती है. मैं bullet points पे जा रहा हूँ. नई school teacher आती
To
है जो
impress.
उसका मुझे actress का नाम याद नहीं आ रहा, but उसको उससे प्यार हो जाता है.
Nusrat Bharucha.
Yeah. But anyway,
Okay.
so then principal decides to hire a
I'm just like, yeah, I know her.
principal decides to hire an actual good sports teacher who has played sports at state level and things like that, who has done some sports academy से कुछ ने degree
Yeah.
कर रखी है and blah blah blah. So suddenly he comes into picture. Then that's the thing. उसकी आयुष्मान का
sports-
not आयुष्मान खुराना. What's his name? Rajkumar Rao.
Rajkumar Rao.
That's the time he
So that sports teacher is basically taking over his life, kind of thing, like taking the girl away from him, taking his job kind of away from him. So it's like attacking him. But so then eventually, like they agree that Rajkumar Rao says, okay, we'll have a sports competition. You pick any of your students, and I'll pick
ये
mine.
स्टूडेंट
and we'll
ये
have a
स्टूडेंट ऑफ द
competition.
ईयर है क्या ये?
It's like the most cringe movie.
No,
I
it's
don't
just-
watch it. It's pakwa.
No, so
30 mark
it's basic.
No.
It's very
okay,
simple
एक
story.
minute. Kevin, don't.
Not bad.
Yeah.
I don't think it was
You are
bad.
expecting कोई बहुत
No.
ही ऐसी मूवी होने वाली है.
No,
You
no,
cannot
yeah,
expect.
very deep movie.
They have made it.
I didn't expect that at
Yeah,
all.
they have made it that genre,
No,
right?
it's a very simple. It's a time pass movie.
It's a complete
I feel,
time pass.
but
Yes,
I think it's better than
it
Ludo.
could be a slice of life क्या कहते हैं slice of life
Yeah,
small
it's just
town
like-
movie. I don't mind those
kind of-
movies honestly if I go
Yeah,
through.
it's like a feel good type movie. I
Okay,
guess.
Yeah,
but
you
why don't you
you
let
know-
why can't you let Kevin say what he found
Okay,
cringe?
okay.
But yeah,
one thing
Kevin,
I'll tell you
what
is
did you find
the first 20 or 30 minutes, 20 minutes maybe funny. And once the new character, the new guy's rival comes in, and this movie becomes so predictable and so boring. Like they build up competitions and both people have set up their teams among students. The guy who wins will get the girl well, essentially he gets the girl, but like he got the girl before that. But he gets the big status in the school. It is so predictable and like so. I mean, you feel disgust by the end of it. It's a bad movie.
Did you want twists? Did you want twists like?
Disgusted is a big.
Did you want
but
twists
yeah,
like
but-
Ludo? Is that what you wanted?
Predictable. It was definitely predictable, but the route they went there was will be fine. How they got to the end, will be fine. It wasn't bad in my opinion. Like Ludo,
Okay.
it was like okay. It had a high point at the beginning with Pankaj Tripathi entering and doing. Then it just went low,
first 20 minutes,
like complete low. And
To
just,
me, I feel it's the same. The first 20 minutes was set very nicely. It was funny. And then it went to
Ah.
stop.
you like the Randwa joke, na? You liked that. I knew when I saw that this guy laughed.
आप
I
विद्वान
had
नहीं
to
हो,
just pick-
रंडे
But
हो।
इसके-
My Bob laughed.
इसमें सारे actors बाप हैं. Like if you look at the
Good-
cast,
good
they
actors,
are brilliant actors.
कौन कौन है?
So Rajkumar,
Who's that guy when Pannu went?
राजकुमार के तो
That guy.
I probably will watch it because राजकुमार है. But उसके सिवाय और कौन कौन है? I mean people that we know.
यार नाम तो मुझे एक की भी नहीं पता, but you will
Yeah.
recognize them by faces. वो
The sports coach, the one who's competing, he's funny. He's a good
he's a
actor
good
actually.
actor यार.
In these small.
Even that,
Yeah, he's a good
even जो
actor.
राजकुमार का in a so-called mentor है, टकले वाले अंकल, he is brilliant. Like he's such a
Yeah, he's good.
Yeah, he's a
big
good
time
actor.
actor.
Guys, I had a question.
He's a good actor.
Even-
Naushad, what is the actress's name?
Nusrat
Doesn't she
Bharucha.
look
Nusrat
like
Bharucha.
Astin?
Now you ask her mother and
She
father
looked
now. Why you
exactly
asking?
like
Why does she
Arjun,
look
man.
like acid to us?
I got confused anyway.
But yeah, no, decent. She didn't have much of a role, honestly. Like
Yeah.
hers was just a girl caught in between. But I thought the movie was fine. It was funny at
ओ
times.
ये
It
तो
was
ओ भाई ये
very.
मोहम्मद जीशान अयूब ये तो उसमें था रंजना में था ना ये तो ओ इज अ वेरी गुड एक्टर
Yeah.
He's a good actor. Tanu Ej Manu, he was that lawyer, the second one. I
Yeah.
remember that.
Oh,
that
this is the
mostly that.
woman from Sweetie Ki Tittu wali movie. अच्छा,
Yeah. That
Yeah.
same
Titu.
actress.
सोनू
Titu- Titu- Titu-
सोनू की
Titu.
सोनी की
सोनू की
सोनी
टीटू।
की टूटी वाली मूवी में आई रिमेम्बर यार
हाँ, वही.
But
yeah, but she's also.
for me,
But-
इसमें two things stood out. एक तो acting. Story, as Kevin said, it's pretty. सबको पता है क्या होने
Very
वाला है. Pretty
predictable.
normal. So nothing great. Second thing was
Yeah, nothing
message. I don't think मुझे ऐसे इंडिया में I wish थोड़ा वो और उस पे फोकस डालते, but I think the मूवी का मैसेज था. At least to me, it's the इंडिया में बहुत जरूरत है उस मैसेज की.
Was it the message of Chak De India?
नहीं, role of a teacher in anything, right? So having a
Yeah.
good mentor.
Even parents as well.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
I think especially इन्होंने I wish वो थोड़ा उस पे और फोकस करते. मुझे वहां पे वीक लगा, but इंडिया में वो actually if you look at the Indian schools, right, जो टीचर्स जिस तरह से पढ़ाते हैं, it's I'm not blaming सब टीचर्स को, मैं बच्चे भी कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं लेते ज्यादा, but like it's a pretty वो साइकिल है वो, right?
Yeah, I think
But
you can
वहाँ पे-
blame administration more. They don't incentivize the teachers to do well, no? Then how will they incentivize the kids also?
But it's not like one way street, right? They cannot just put in money or put in
No,
resources.
I'm
Suddenly
saying
things will change.
no. I'm saying you can't just blame teacher and student also. There is a overall system of like
Oh yeah,
lack of
whole
वो, no?
education system जो वैसा structured है इंडिया में, especially because
And
we
you
all
said
like
sports teacher. Yeah, sports teacher. तो like my sports teacher were like the most relaxed people ever. Like उनको फर्क नहीं पड़ता था unless we were
same.
okay since we were if you were on the football team like they would stare at you and give you attention. But how if you look at it 9th or 10th में there are like 15 of us. बाकी सारे बच्चे PE period में I'm pretty sure they had their own stuff to do or like some girls would play volleyball but so many would just be sitting on the galleries after a certain age.
Majority, yeah.
कोई point नहीं होता.
But back to the movie, I thought the movie is perfect for streaming services. For going to cinema to watch it, I would never have gone to cinema to watch
True.
it. Honestly,
Good point.
I wouldn't
Yeah.
recommend it either.
I
It's
would have
perfect where
gone-
it is. Just
there would be a higher
background.
chance of me going to the theater because I want to support all Rajkumar and Pankaj Tripathi, Nawazuddin सबकी picture in theater.
And this is the exact movie which when we say, right, कि अरे we should support all these movies, this is the perfect way to support because message is pretty simple at the same time extremely powerful.
Okay.
Is Kevin's miming something? I'm not
No, I said
understanding.
this mic
Anyway.
is very low. That's what-
But
Can you hear
anyway,
me now,
so
Kevin?
Arnav, would you recommend it? Last thing to watch on
Yeah.
streaming.
For streaming platform, yes.
Watch
Kevin?
the first 25 minutes and then stop the movie because it's gone down.
Amrit, would you recommend to watch the trailer of? Did you
Yes,
even watch it?
no, I didn't watch the trailer also.
Then no recommendation from Amrit. For me, I'd recommend it more than Ludo. It's a feel good movie. It's relaxed. It's very
अबे,
chill movie. Just watch it
लूडो
in
के
the
2.5
background.
घंटे बाद
Ludo.
लूडो के 2.5 घंटे बाद मैं
Yeah.
it will take me some time to invest for
But
time to
anyway,
movie, but yeah.
But
Any
yeah,
other
it's overall a
recommendations
decent
you
movie,
guys?
but not. Yeah. Now recommendations, you guys.
Oh, what's the
Um,
Innocent Man on Netflix? I think it's worth a. It's a
Isn't that John
documentary.
Grisham's book? वो John Grisham का
Yeah.
book है ना Innocent Man?
He made
it's
all those
based on-
business now, the firm and all like that. John Grisham.
I read his book. I've read the book if I'm not wrong. वो है ना कि वो that Foucault का केस लगाते हैं उस पे of okay I won't give away the story.
Yeah,
but
no,
yeah.
it's essentially
John-
like
if it's
wrongly
based on that-
convicted people in murder cases, and
Yeah.
I think
So
it's very slow, so you have to be
this is
patient.
on Netflix.
Yeah, on Netflix.
It's on Netflix. okay? It's a movie or
It's a
documentary
series.
type?
It's a 6-episode series. I'm still on the
It's a
fifth.
series. Okay. Okay. Arnav, any recommendation?
So recently मुझे एक friend ने एक book gift की थी which I started, मैंने complete नहीं किया है. It's called 0 to 1 from Peter Thiel. It's about entrepreneurship primarily, but it's quite fascinating because at least in the beginning itself, some of the common things which he has touched upon. Just for example, people say कि वो competition is good, right? we should have competition in the market and blah blah blah. But he counters those points in a brilliant way. The competition also creates problems for the economy. So I think it's a pretty fascinating book of
zero to what?
0 to 1. So interesting book. I haven't finished it yet. Hopefully in the next couple of days. But yeah, if you are
Arnav is
interested in
reading much
startups and
more, man.
founding,
Arnav, you've been reading much more, man. In college, I never saw you
Is
with a
it more
book.
like tech
Now
stuff
oh,
all
I
of a
never had a
or in
book.
general?
Yeah.
Arnav is going through his phase of like अब उनकी business launch करना है तो सारी वाली inspiration books पढ़ेंगे.
Arnav,
Uh,
So, yeah.
No, interestingly,
is it like tech based more startup or like in general more it's more generalized?
in general, it does not have to be tech based, but obviously इसमें Silicon Valley के काफी references है because he is from Silicon Valley, so his background has been primarily into tech side. वो है. So he was a founder of PayPal, and along with Elon Musk के साथ भी इसने partnership की थी because Elon Musk का खुद का business था payments का. Then they basically merged together. So obviously well respected guy in Silicon Valley, apart from बाहर कोई जानता भी नहीं होगा शायद. But yeah, it's a good read.
Amrit?
Oh, I just read one book in the last 3 days. It's Rhythm of War by Brandon Sanderson. His book 4 of the Stormlight Archive, fantasy fiction book hai. It's an amazing series to get into. And the 4th book released on November 17th ko, I think. Yeah, November 17th midnight ko. And it is actually, unless you know the first 3, but yeah, I would in general suggest the Stormlight Archive. That's the 4-book fantasy fiction series. by
You talked
Brandon
about
Sanderson.
this.
So, yeah.
Stormlight
Yeah.
Archive.
It's a series I got into like 4 or 5 years ago. It's the 4th book just released. So
Doesn't
yeah,
Tara also like it?
likes it. Yeah, she likes it a lot.
Yeah, I
as well.
remember she was also telling me when I came.
Most people who are into fantasy fiction, they'll really like it. So वो ये चौथी book अभी निकली है. It's an amazing series. 1000 page की book है, but I couldn't put it down at all. I read it काम पे भी shamelessly. I finished it like last night. But,
What is it? Stormlight? What?
The series is called Stormlight Archive.
Stormlight
Book 4,
Archive.
Rhythm of War, just released right now. Akash,
shall
what is your
check it.
story?
So mine's an old one. I've recently been catching up on documentaries. The Fire Festival documentary on Netflix. I didn't even know about this whole thing.
Oh
At all.
yeah,
Oh my
really
god, that's an amazing.
It's a
It's
great
an amazing story though. Wait, what's the
Classic.
documentary's name though? For that,
I think it's just called
FYRE?
FYRE. I think I can't remember the name, but I'm sure if you just search Fire, we'll put the name in the description. But if you search Fire, it's like it could be the first result. FYRE festival, and then I never even knew this thing happened and everything in the US.
Bro,
I couldn't remember
Jarul
it.
वगैरह
Yeah.
सब थे उसमें. Bro,
Yeah,
it was amazing.
he was a mastermind, right?
Yeah, and he got away scot free from it. I mean,
Yeah, he didn't get charged or anything. The other guy
bro,
who's also
amazing.
oh, it's such an
So it's
entertaining watch.
amazing.
Watch it. It's actually entertaining, and it's like one guy said that I was ready to suck off. I was like, oh my god. There was one
But
comment. I
उसमें,
won't ruin it for the people.
Top Instagram models and top ये सब involved थे.
Yep.
It was not like a small
Yeah,
thing.
yeah.
It was
Bhai,
pretty legit on paper.
It was like the peak example of ki if I show you something online and if that's the only thing you know, how easily you can fool these sponsors and people into running towards something. It's such a beautiful thing. I mean, it's a ridiculous thing, but such a beautiful example of
I'm
that.
guessing we all recommend that one as well to watch because it's
Oh yeah,
good.
highly recommended. Yeah.
And
good.
not just that, I'd like to discuss it also.
Yeah, we can discuss it on another episode. But
Kevin has not
yeah,
seen
that's
it, but yeah, okay.
No, but I know about
That's all for the
festival
recommendation.
and the people who were involved and who got into trouble. And they were big names, right?
We'll
Wasn't
save
it
this
one
for
of the
another
Kardashians
episode.
who also wasn't one of the Kardashians?
Yeah,
also,
they were a model or something.
Oh, suddenly Kevin का सारा interest वापस आ गया.
Yeah, Kevin was just before Edit. But yeah, the Kardashian sister was involved.
Guys, let's Akash tell them part 2 में we will discuss both of you का.
Okay, so part 2, our theories. We'll reveal the theories. My theory. First, Arnav, you'll be going first next episode. So your one is the
death of Lal Bahadur Shastri. He was the second Prime Minister of India.
And my one is going to be a bit more of a brighter thing. Does the Illuminati exist?
Yes, we have become a proper like
I might be the
catchy
member of
title
it.
podcast,
Exactly.
conspiracy theory podcast.
So until our next episode, thank you for listening to this episode of the Vele Podcast. You can catch us on Google Podcast, Apple Podcast, Spotify, and now also on YouTube. Give us a follow at the Vele Pod, at Vele Pod on Instagram as well. Until then, until then,
Peace out.
see you guys later on the next episode. Bye bye.